Yes, today I will discuss about the time in two parts, part 1 and part 2. In part 1, I will only discuss the hours and minutes. So, the title of my today's lecture is Time, part 1, where I am going to discuss only hours and minutes. And for this also we have to have the warm-up type things. Generally, the students know, but it is our responsibility to tell them before starting the classes. So, warm-up. The first warm-up, name of the instrument, the name of instrument to be used to measure time. The name of instrument is clock or watch, you can say. Now, how it looks? It looks like just see here. It is in a circle shape. In a book, it is mentioned, but my suggestion is that also ask the students to make a circle. And before that, after circle, you ask them to write here 12, no problem. Here 6, here 3, and here 9. Now things are very clear. In this case, after writing all these things, it is easier to write here 1 and 2, then 4, and then 5. Then 7, approximately 8, 10, and 11. And here is the center. And most of the clock is in a circle shape, and it is divided into 12 hours. I will explain you. Now there are two needle, but we never say needle, it is a hand. What is the hand? See, the small hand, I'll just say here, a small hand, it is our hand. And it moves slowly. A student should be informed about all these things. B, larger hand. It is minute hand. it moves faster. Every child can see this watch fitted in the classroom or at their home also itself. Now, see there are 24 hours in a day. Most of the children should know at this stage. Just say the clock measures only 12 hours. E point. The clock takes 2 round to make 24 hours. These are very, very important things. The clock means the small hand. I just small hand I am also putting here, small hand. Now F. The larger hand makes 60 minutes in one round. Now, these are the basic points, warm up. Now, for convenience, I am just putting this is a big hand. So, I am just putting here, making here arrow. This is small hand, and this is a larger hand. That means if small hands move from 12 to 12, then it is 12 hours. Again 12, 24 hours, because 12 to the 24. But when the larger hand moves one round, it is 60 minutes. 60 minutes means 1 indicates 5 minutes, 2 indicates 10 minutes, 5 tables. So 12 5 are 60. So here you can also say that EFG, the children should know the mathematical table of 5. Mathematical table of 5. Now I will give you the second point. This is the first point, I will give the second point. Second point. second point. Just see, I have said that in a day there are 24 hours. That means first I'll draw a number line of 24 hours like this. Just say number line. I think number line I have mentioned many times. Number line, and it will start from, say, 12 midnight. 12 midnight. Because time starts from 12 midnight. Then it will go 24 hours. Because one day there is 24 hours. Just see. Second is the 1 day. 1 day means 24 hours. I have already said. I am explaining this 24 hours. So midnight, and this is the midday. You can say it is midday. Midday means noon. It is noon. यदि क्यों हो रहा है? Midday night, midday noon, and it is also, you can say, the midnight. Midnight. But as far as time is concerned, this is 0, this is 12, and this is obviously I have written 24 hours. But in the watch, there is no 24 hours. Second round, you can have the 24 hours. So in the watch, it is the midnight. There is the midnight. This is 12 noon. You can say also night. N-I-G-H-T, night. And this is also night, you can call N-I-G-H-T. So night and noon and again night. This is 12 hour and this is 12 hour. So 1 day will start from this is start from here, and if you draw a line, it is 1 day. But in the watch, it is divided like this. If you go from 12, then it is again 12, then it is again 12. 12 night you can say, 12 midnight you can say, anything you can say. Here, 12 noon, 12 o'clock you can say, 12 night also you can say. This period is known as AM. A means anti-meridian. Anti-meridian. But for class 2 student, you can only say AM. Then this is referred as PM. It is the post meridian. In higher classes, they will understand. Now, this is a whole picture of sometimes midnight people say, sometimes 12 night, here midnight, 12 night, then midday, noon. These are the generally things in a rural area, 12 बजे रात दिन में 12 बजे ये यूज करते हैं लेकिन but here I am going to now question is how to write these things. Just say third, the hour is written as, suppose 3 hours, I am just saying 3 o'clock. Generally this is the one way. Sometimes 3 capital O clock. It is up to you to use it. There is no mistake. And it is word as 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. And suppose you want to write 3 hours, 3 hours and 30 minutes. Generally it is written as 3:30. Now this gives hour and this reads minutes. Be careful. Left one is the hour, right one is the minute, and in between there is 2 points. Now, fifth point is 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. I will explain these things when I will make a watch. Now I am just going to make another point. Sixth point I will make it. Sixth point. Very, very important. And I am going to draw the clock. Here 12, here 6, here 3, and here 9. And then we can divide it 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, this is 5, this is 7, this is 8, this is 10, and this is 11. 12 hours. Generally 0 is not written because 0 understood. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And most important thing is that here I will just make a note of this. Note. Between 12, 1 or 1 to 2. For example, suppose here you are taking 0, I am just number line I am taking, and which is generally we call in the watch it is 12. And then it is going to be 1, 2, and 3. Just see here. If I will cut this one, it will be straight line. Between 0 and 1, it is divided into 2, 3, 4. Just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this period gives 5 minutes. That means between two digits of hour, here also it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is only divided, not written. Be careful. So if it is 3, means 5 3 ja 15 minutes. That means if the bigger handle moves here, from here to here, it is 15 minutes. Here it is 5 6 ja 30 minutes. Here 5 9 ja 49 minutes. 5 10 ja 50. 5 12 ja 60 or 12 5 ja 60. So here I am making a point how to read minute, and if this is at the 12, suppose big handle is 12, that means small needle will be either 1, 2, 3, 4, not before and after. I hope I have explained you the before and after. Suppose it is here 4. So it is only 4.00. Means it is 4 hours. This is in 4 hours and 0 minutes. 0 minutes. See, we are teaching the class 2 students. So be careful. It is hour or it is minutes. I am giving another scenario. Let us say I will not write all these things, but I am giving another scenario here. Suppose this is a small needle. I am just giving there. And this is 12. This is 6. This is 3. And this is 1. This is 2. 4. 5. It is 9. 7. 8. 10. And 11. If 3 is just before, small needle is just before 3. देखिए, small needle, small hand, just before 3. That means it is going to be 3. So it might be 2. Yeah, I will take here. That means larger hand at 10. So larger hand at 10 means it is 10 5 ja 50 minutes. That means how you can write it? You can write 3, not 3, 2. It is 2 because just before 3 is 2. 2 hours. So it can be written as here hour and this is minutes. Generally, when people ask, it is an approximate time one has to tell it. Now, I will give some examples so it will be better understood. See example 1. देखिए, write the time time below each clock. Below each clock. One is done for you. Done for you. I am making 4 o'clock. This is, you can say A. If you make anti-clockwise, it is easier. I am making here B. And the similar clock, assuming similar clock, C, and the similar clock, and D, and the similar clock. Just see, I will make here detail, but you have to complete this one. Just say, this is 12, make on the top 12, rest you have to do 12 and 12. Then 6, then 6. 6 is the half of 12. Then 3, then 9, 3, then 9, 3, and 9. Here it is 3, and here 9. I will make divide into 1 and 2, 3. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, and 11. Ask the student to do, repeat B, C, D. Now just say, suppose I want to make 3 o'clock. Once I say 3 o'clock, no minutes, without minutes. So just here, big handle will be at 12. If there is no minutes, big handle will be 12, means 0 minutes. 3 o'clock means the small needle will point here at 3, approximately. Now, what I am trying to tell you that suppose I want to write 8 o'clock. Ask the student to do in the similar way. There is 0 minutes, means larger needle will be at 12 and the smaller will be at 8. Then 6 o'clock. Similar way. Then 11 o'clock. So if they will do in all cases, there is no minutes. So I am giving hint. I am giving hint. No minutes. Means larger hand at 12. So this is an example as well as question. So they will understand very easily. Now I am giving the example 2. चलिए यहाँ पर मैं लिख देता हूँ example 2. I am saying make the clock. Make the clock and show the following. Here we have made a clock and asked to show the time. Here I am saying make the clock and show the following time. A 1 o'clock. B, for convenience I am giving 6 o'clock. So one can, if intelligent, they can copy it. C is 5 o'clock. D is 7 o'clock. So this question, example is just reverse to that one. Again I am giving the example 3. Say example 3. Here. Write the time in minutes, in only minutes. Only in minutes for the following clock. Clock 1 is done for you. 1 is done for you. अब देखिएगा इसमें भी 4 एग्जाम्पल है. रेस्ट आई विल आस्क द स्टूडेंट टू डू इट. ए थोड़ा इसमें बड़ा बनाएंगे क्योंकि 5 डिवीजन में करना है. 12 अगेन 6 अगेन 3 अगेन 9. Then 1 2 1 2 4 and 5 7 and 8 10 and 11. Why said I big? Because I have to make 5 1 2 3 4. 5 हो गया. उसी तरह से यहाँ बनाइए 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. अब देखिए यहाँ छोटा हो गया, थोड़ा छोटा बनाइए 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. अब देखिए, अब आप जो है इसको ध्यान में रखिएगा. तो 1 is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. That means only you have to tell the table of 5. Like, अब यहां पर करना होगा तो 5 into 1 is equal to 5 minutes. ध्यान सुनिएगा, यहां पर करेंगे तो 5 into 2 is equal to 10 minutes. यहां करेंगे तो 5 into 3 is equal to 15 minutes. देखिए छोटे बच्चे हैं इसलिए मैं कह सकता हूं इसी तरह करिए, लेकिन उनको कह नहीं सकते, उनको समझाना पड़ेगा. यहां पर कह सकते हैं 5 into 4 is equal to 20 minutes. अब देखिए यहां पर 5 into 5 is equal to 25 minutes. बिकॉज दे नो द टेबल ऑफ 5. यहाँ कर सकते हैं 6 into 5 is equal to 30 minutes. यहाँ कर सकते हैं 7 into 5 is equal to 35 minutes. छोटा छोटा लिख दीजिए. यहाँ पर 8 into 5 is equal to 40 minutes. यहाँ 9 into 5 is equal to 45 minutes. यहाँ 5 into 10 is equal to 50 minutes. यहाँ कर सकते हैं 5 into 11 is equal to 55 minutes. यहाँ पर कर सकते हैं 5 into 12 is equal to 60 minutes. अब बच्चे जो है अच्छी तरह से समझ जाएंगे कि ये 5 का मतलब क्या होता है, जहां पर 5 का टेबल बनाना होता है. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट इज नॉट मेंशन एनीवेयर इन द बुक एज आई अंडरस्टूड. बिकॉज समटाइम्स you presume that a student know, but it is a small kids. Now here I am just only talking of the minutes, because yes, write the time in only minutes. Suppose your big handle is here. So now a student know this is the 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes 21, 22. So this will be written as 0, 0, 22, because this is the hour or this is the minutes. अब hours कैसे होगा? In this case our angle will be always at 12. Our handle and this is the minutes. This is the A. This is the case A. Now I will ask the students B to draw the similar curve for 0, 0, 30 minutes. C 0, 0, 45 minutes. D 0, 0, 15. Why I have said, या ध्यान सुनिएगा जो है, when the larger hand is at 30, it is called half past. It is called half past. If it is 15, it is called quarter past. If it is 45, quarter to. Sorry, ये 2 नहीं होता है, ये क्वार्टर 2 ऐसे होता है. अब ये half past means if the middle larger hand is a 6, it is always half past 1, half past 3, half past 4. If it is 3, then quarter past, 20 past. Here 2 means between 12 and 6. Between 12 and 6. Note करिए. Between 12 and 6, it is always used past. Between 6 and 12, it is always referred as 2. अब मैं एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूं, लिखूंगा नहीं बिकॉज बच्चे हैं. सपोज कर लीजिए आपका जो है ये बिग हैंडल 4 पर है, तो ये ऑलरेडी हो गया 20 पास्ट. नाउ द नीडल शुड बी आइदर बिटवीन 1 and 2 और 2 and 3. इफ इट इज 2 and 3 तो 20 पास्ट 2 हो जाएगा. अब देखिए, अब एग्जाम्पल 4 विल बी लास्ट, जहां पर आपको जो है ये आवर्स और मिनट्स लिखना पड़ेगा. एग्जाम्पल 4. Right time in hours and minutes. अब मैं एक एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूं उसी तरह के लेकर के, ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं बनाएंगे. जो है ये एग्जाम्पल है और हमारा ये आपका वॉच है. ये 12 हो गया, ये 6 हो गया, ये 3 हो गया, ये 9 हो गया. 1 2 4 5 7 8 10 and 11. अब देखिए, if your larger hand is not at 12, if it is at 12, 0 minutes. But suppose it is not at 12. I am just giving the example. Suppose your larger hand is at 4. If larger hand is other than 12, that means our handle cannot be exactly at 1, 2, 3. So 20 minutes, that means smaller needle, if suppose go to between 1 and 2. So what will be time? Time will be, this is the 1 and 2. So 0, 1 hour, because it is not 2. And then it is 20 minutes. So this is the hour and this is the minute. How read it? So इसको आप रीड करेंगे जैसे मैंने वहां बताया था, 20 past 1. बात समझ गए कि अगर 12 पर लार्जर हैंड होगा तो मिनट्स हमेशा 0 होगा. अदर देन मैं आपको बता चुका हूं, बिग हैंड कहीं भी हो, टेबल पढ़िए और काउंट करके बता दीजिए. सेकंड थिंग, देन चूज स्मॉल हैंड, आवर हैंड. इट कैन बी बिटवीन 1 and 2, 2 and 3. सो पहले वाला लगा के इसे कर लिया. अब मैं दे रहा हूं आपको बनाने के लिए. इसी तरह से आप कैसे बनाएंगे? बी, फिगर बी बनाना होगा. जो मैं कह रहा हूं 3 hours and 30 minutes. अब इसको कहेंगे क्या और फिगर में बनाएंगे क्या? ये दोनों से पहले फिगर बनाइए, फिर राइट लाइक दिस एंड देन मेक ए स्टेटमेंट. देन सी 6 hours and 45 minutes. इसी तरह बनाइए. और डी 7 hours and 25 minutes. So in this lecture, I have given example as well as a question. So I hope that the student will understand very easily. Thank you very much.